Hello everyone. Once again I am here today with 10 spelling rules. At the very outset of my video, let me tell you all that spelling rule does not mean that it is always correct, that we have to follow the rule. Many a time it does not work or they do not work, as English language borrows from many other languages. So there are exceptional cases. But trust me that these rules, if you follow, then your English can be better and it can take you up to a better level or level up, right? So let us talk about 10 spelling rules that can help you to make you to go on with correct English. And first rule for today, that is U after Q. If you observe and study the words, you will always find that Q is followed by U. मतलब Q के ठीक बाद letter U अक्सर आता है. For example, if we say earthquake, EARTH, QUAK, quota, QUOTA, queen, QUEEN. In this way we can say that U after Q is always there. In most of the words it is there. In this way you can spell out words when you are either writing or learning words with letter Q. Next rule, no S after X. I have not seen any word where there is S after X. X के बाद S मैंने वर्ड्स में नहीं देखे हैं. दो एक्सेप्शनल केस C is there, C होते हैं मगर S नहीं होते हैं. So after X there should be no confusion that we have no S. C for example, excite, EXCITE. So C is possible but S is not. Third, C makes 2. 2 means sounds. In my first video that you can follow, sounds with letter C. C letter makes 2 sounds. When I, E and Y after C, it is S. With other letters including consonants, it is K. Next, short vowels need one vowel. Short vowel means like at, at, it, and we can say hot, hot, hot. All these words they need or they take only one vowel. एक ही vowel होता है. जैसे at we have a, it we have I, hot we have O. Next, letter F, letter L and letter S get double in one syllable. What is syllable? That has also been discussed in my previous video. You can follow. Syllable, that is a unit of spoken language. एक यूनिट जिसे हम एक बार में बोलते हैं या पढ़ते हैं उसे हम syllable कहते हैं. So single syllable or monosyllabic words needs letter F, L or S double. Example of, OFF, for L, all, for S, fuss. All these words, it means when you have monosyllabic word, there all the words ending with F, L or S, they always get double. Rule number 6 for today, drop E after a suffix. Any word ending with E, कोई भी शब्द जो E से समाप्त हो रहा हो, and you need to add a suffix. Suffix and prefix have also been discussed before in previous videos. So आपको जब कोई suffix add करना हो in the word ending with E, then we need to drop letter E. हमें ई लेटर को ड्रॉप कर देना पड़ता है। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस। एग्जाम्पल, होप, HOPE, hope, hoping. I am adding NG as suffix. So in hope I am dropping E को मैं drop कर रहा हूँ, hope से hoping बना रहा हूँ। Next example, race, RACE, racing, RACING. In this way you have to remember, when there is a word ending with E, we are adding any suffix, then we have to drop the letter E. Next rule, remove L from all as prefix. Whenever you are adding the word all को किसी भी शब्द के पहले अगर आप जोड़ रहे हैं, it means all you are using the term all as prefix, then remove one L from all. Example, altogether, 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 right? All right, ALRIGST, almost, ALMOST, right? So conclusion is, whenever you are using the term all term आप जहां भी यूज कर रहे हैं as a prefix, then you need to remove one L from all. In place of ALL, use AL. Next comes no spelling change with prefix. चलिए, ये तो बड़े काम की बात है. It's like a magic, appears like a magic for all of us, that we need not to put our brain for spelling whether it is to be changed or not. जब कभी भी आप किसी भी वर्ड में आप कोई भी प्रीफिक्स लगाते हैं, उस वर्ड की स्पेलिंग चेंज नहीं होती है. We only change spelling when we add suffixes to any word or words. Example, when complete takes a prefix in, it becomes incomplete. There is no change in spelling of complete. In the same way, it goes for other words. Next, contractions need apostrophe where letters missing. जब कभी भी आप किसी let me tell you one thing before I explain this. There are three ways to shorten the words. तीन तरीके होते हैं किसी भी शब्द को छोटे करने के. One is abbreviation, next is acronym, and third is contraction. Abbreviation that you use when you say AM or PM, after meridian, post meridian, all sort of words like this. They are called abbreviations. Then comes acronym. Acronym, when you take initial letter of each word and create a new word, that is called acronym. Example, जैसे हम कहते हैं लेज़र, LASER, इसे हम एक नया वर्ड बना दिया लेज़र, जबकि लेज़र पूरा एक कंप्लीट वर्ड नहीं है, इसका फुल फॉर्म डिफरेंट होता है, राइट? लाइट एम्प्लीफिकेशन एमिशन ऑफ रेडिएशन, सॉरी, लाइट एम्प्लीफिकेशन ऑफ स्टिमुलेटेड एमिशन ऑफ रेडिएशन, दैट इज लेज़र. ये लेज़र का फुल फॉर्म है. तो हमने हर वर्ड से एक लेटर उठा लिया, इनिशियल लेटर उठा लिया, वहां से एक वर्ड बना दिया लेज़र. तो दिस वे ऑफ शॉर्टन द वर्ड इज कॉल्ड acronym. नेक्स्ट कम्स कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में हम क्या करते हैं, we remove one letter or two letters. In place of letters we put apostrophe. Apostrophe means that is comma that you put upside, उसे हम apostrophe कहते हैं. Example, can't. Can't is contraction as cannot. Cannot का contraction है can't. तो हमने यहाँ पर क्या वर्ड गायब किया, NO, CAN, फिर NO को गायब किया और T लगा दिया. So in place of NO we put a apostrophe. So that is also one spelling rule, that whenever you use contractions for all missing letters, whether one letter or two letters or three letters, you have to put apostrophe and your spelling will never go wrong. आपकी spelling कभी भी wrong नहीं होगी. Last for today, proper nouns must be capitalized. Whenever you use a proper noun means for all sort of things, whether Taj Mahal, days of a week, months of a year, for everything, wherever you find any particular word, if it is a proper noun, then you have to start that word with capital letters. That must be capitalized. So these are all 10 standout spelling rules. Why stand out? Because if you follow all this, then you can get your English correct up to a level up. In next video, we'll be looking or we'll be learning more spelling rules more than this, other than this 10 rules. Till then, bye bye.